Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Hanmer Springs and we're gonna hike to the, what's it called again?
Dog Stream Waterfall.
Dog Stream Waterfall. This area, once again, I say this every time, no matter where we are, it's stunningly beautiful. Blue skies, the sun is shining, the tank is clean. I hope you got that reference. But come along with us. To be completely open with all of you, based on our last couple of hikes that we did, we thought that it would be quite warm, like as we get going. Obviously it's winter, but we figured, oh, once we get going, we'll get, you know, kind of sweaty. I just have this thin 3/4 zip on with a tank top underneath, and Keaton has a sweatshirt on with a shirt underneath. And because most of this is shaded by the trees above us, it's quite cold. So my little hands are just wrapped in my 3/4 zip, and I'm excited to see the sunshine again. So lesson learned, wear layers, and you can always take them off and put them around your waist so you're not cold like we are. Note for next time. This is a pretty steep walk. A lot of reviews said that it would be uphill, and at the beginning we're like, oh, this isn't bad. The further you get through, the more uphill it is. So listen to the reviews. It is definitely an uphill climb. Update, it got warm, clearly. I'm still team layers though, just in case anything were to happen. If you get hurt or you're stuck or something, wear layers. And then I just have that tied around my waist. Keaton has his sweatshirt around his neck. Also, we just passed by a couple of other hikers and I slipped and almost fell right into them. So that was a little awkward. But we are on a quite steep range right now. And so we're stopping for a quick break because, once again, this asthmatic didn't bring her a nailer. It's fine. It's fine. We're doing great. Huh? No, you can't drink it. Don't trip. We made it! Oh my gosh! We're just gonna look at this downhill for once so I don't fall. We're here! Wow. So tall. We made it! Oh, I just slipped on a rock. Oh my gosh. Well worth the, let's see, it took us about an hour, a little over an hour to get here, but it's so beautiful. I know I say that in every single video, that everywhere is beautiful, but it is. I also hope you can hear me. No, because the entire way to the waterfall was uphill. Of course, the way back down to the car park is downhill, which makes it easy. Except you gotta bend your legs a lot to make sure they don't fall out from under you. You can still kind of hear the waterfall in the back of us, and it's just kind of a flowing stream all the way through where we're at. Next stop, we are going to go to the Hanmer Springs hot pools, and they are sure to feel good after this hike.